Hey, what's up everyone, Tony here. In today's video I want to show you how to pass the properties between the components, between parent and child component, and how to extract some data, properties, and logic from the child component into the parent, so basically lift it up. So for that we need to create a component. Since we have our list of the items in the catalog, let's make every product item as a component. So to prepare that, in the src file I will create another directory called components, and I want to create a new file here which will be called product item.vue. Product item, yep. Yes, and let's create a template here. Let's create a script here, and let's first of all import define component from Vue and export default define component, which will have a name of product item. Now in the catalog I want to import it. Script export, yeah, let's import product item. Here I want to add components to make the product item okay, I need a typo, refactor rename product item, right, and product item, perfect. Product item from product item view, perfect. I want to make this component as a child component. Now let's see. So we have our list as a row, we have a column, and it has this v-sheet, v-card, and stuff like that. So I want to have everything here, but separated. So I will just do simpler. I go copy that entire code here and put it in the template section here. So now everything should be the same, except that we will need to somehow handle these products product information because we don't have it. So what we need to do, first of all, instead of this guy, I will add product item, and let me make it with a small case, right, and it will have something inside. So let's prepare. If you are using the script with a setup function, then in order to have a properties, we need to create a props same way as we did it in Vue 2. So let's say we'll have a product data, which is gonna be type object, why so object unresolved variable object product data, whatever, and we're gonna have required true, right, object, this is weird, anyways. Also we will need to pass some props parameter, or you can call it whatever you like, into the setup function, and then return props. In that case, you will be able to have the props product data in the template, like this, like this, like this, and like this, product, yeah. But you can make it in a different way. So for instance, if you're using the script setup, we don't need this everything anymore. And just copy this and remove this. So let's say you're using script setup in your code, and what you need to do, you need to first import define props, define, where was it? Define props from Vue. Is it gonna work like that? Yeah. And we will say that const props equal define props, and we will create product data here. And to use it, it basically remains the same. So we have a properties, product data, and that's it. This for me looks a little bit better rather than, because I don't like the setup function and I only have like a normal script section just to define a component and create its name, let's say the very basics. Rest logic goes into the setup. So perfect. Now we prepared the properties. Let's now also, we have that function here. Let's create it. Equals function that will, now we need to, by the click of the item, first of all, let's actually do this simple thing. Let's just log something. Log I was clicked. And let's see what we've got. Now we have this product item. Why is it required attribute? Yeah, we already have it highlighted. So we need to pass the information from the parent into the product data of the child. And we're gonna simply pass the entire product into that data. Now let's see what we've got. Let's refresh, and we have absolutely same thing that we used to have. Let's now in the dev tools, let's see the catalog view and the row. And now we see that in every column we have product item. Perfect, right? We can actually even do, no, yeah, let's leave it as it is. Now in the product item, we can see, let me move myself. We can see that we have that props product data with all the product information. Everything is super perfect. We also have the props here. And yeah, works as expected. Now, what I want to do next, since I have that, first of all, let's remove our go to product page. Oh yeah, okay, let's leave it here. Now we want to create a function that will say us that as soon as the product item, when the product item will be clicked, we want to do something. And what we want to do, since in the catalog we have our router push, we will need to still have that router pushing logic here in the parent component. Of course, we can do it from the product item, but just I want to show you how to lift the event from the child to parent. Apart from define props, I want to have define emits from Vue here. And let's say that const emits, emit equals define emits. This will be an array, and we will have, let's say, item clicked event. Now, here I want to emit item clicked and lift up the, what we were using here, we were using ID. So I want to lift up the product ID, it will be called, and then just put it as a second argument into the emit function. And where we use it, we want to, yeah, we're already passing props product data ID. So now in the parent component, we need to catch sort of this event. So we say this add symbol, we already have highlighted item clicked, and we just call a go to product page. Since we, like by default, pushing another we're pushing payload product ID to that emit event. Here you don't need to like pass this ID or something. It will be by default with the payload. And when you have it here, this ID will be here. So now let's just check what we have. We save everything, we refresh just to make sure we don't have any problems here, and let's click that apple. Now I want to, do we have any type of emits here? Okay, let's see, add to cart. This was perfectly added, right? I'm not sure if it's timeline. Do we have any emits here? We probably should have some emits. I just don't remember where it is. Components, yeah. Anyways, so everything remains working absolutely the same way. Now we have perfect looking template here with the component, single file component. We have it here. And once again, if you want to pass the property, you need to, first of all, you prepare the property in the child component like this, or using the normal script. You pass it using the column. This column can be like this v bind. It can be like this, but just to minimize it, you can just remove it and it's going to be work. And when you want to lift some event from the child, you need to define emits. Put in the array the name of your emit. It can be, the name can be anything. And then you emit it same way as in Vue 2. Just in Vue 2 that was available by default using this $emits, I think it was something. But here it's not going to work like this. And in the parent, we are handling that item click event and calling the function we need. This is it, simple as that. Yeah, please enjoy. Please give a like and subscribe if you like that video, and we'll see you in the next series. Cheers, folks. Bye-bye.